What if the deep ocean is actually more dangerous than space? Space is cold, empty, and deadly. But at least we can see it. The deep ocean is almost completely unexplored. No sunlight, extreme pressure, unknown creatures. Some parts of the ocean are so deep, humans can barely reach them. And unlike space, the danger is hiding right beneath us. Scientists believe there are still countless species we have never discovered. So maybe the scariest thing isn't what's out there in space, but what's already here on Earth. Subscribe for more.